Have a nice Friday morning, everyone. Hello to my friends, especially to Sabah, Malaysia, like James Libres, John Ritata Danadra, Dodong Ataka, Nando Rojas, Danilo Solario, Roland Napos from Sabah, Malaysia, Chief Mechanic Rosilio Rodilo, shout out, from Don Salvador Benedicto, Marlene Lebre, and also to Nini Panilag, Samuel Tabares Jr., hello, shout out, Junel Bermudez, and Madam Edwina Villalon from Barangay Bunga, Don Salvador Benedicto, Negros Occidental, Alejandro Jr. Albaracin from Cebu City, hello, shout out, and Lodi Matutina from Davao City, Nela Matutina, May Albaracin Bastida, John Albaracin, Darwin Albaracin, Mikey Tan Albaracin, and Apollo. Shout out. And also to Dr. Parcia Lucina and John A. Lucina, Vilma del Mercado, Marian Opema, and Nelson Opema from Poblacion, Luisa Magallanes, hello, shout out. And also to Gina Mosa, shout out.